Let me tell you about my experience with the 3800 BTU Little Buddy Portable Radiant Propane Heater. This little device has truly become a game changer for me during those chilly fall and spring days. Picture this. You're out in your deer shooting house, waiting for the perfect moment, and that biting cold starts creeping in. With this heater, I found myself comfortably warm without all the bulk that comes with some other options. What I really appreciate about this heater is its compact size. It easily fits in my car, whether I'm hauling it along for a camping trip or simply taking it to a vending event under my canopy. I can't tell you how many times I've relied on it during those outdoor events where the temperature just refuses to cooperate. Just a few feet away, I can bask in the warmth while it quietly hums away, totally unobtrusive. It's like having a personal sun when the weather turns nasty. Now, I did have some initial concerns about safety features, particularly the tip-over valve, which I heard some folks had issues with. I decided to put it through its paces myself. To my relief, it functioned perfectly. If the heater tips over, it shuts off automatically, which is a huge peace of mind. And if I ever find it hard to light, I discovered a neat little trick, loosening the propane bottle to relieve some pressure before retrying. It's a small step, but it works wonders. With its wide base, I never felt like it was going to topple over, even when placed on grass or gravel. I once used it during a surprise cold snap, and let me tell you, it kept me cozy all night long. Sure, it runs out of fuel after about 6 hours, but that was more than enough time for me to enjoy a comfortable evening without freezing. Another thing I found useful was its versatility. Although I originally bought it for my camper van, I ended up realizing it would also be perfect for my workshop shed. Just think about it. Being able to work comfortably without shivering in the cold is a game changer. While it doesn't have an adjustable temperature setting, I found that it still provides a consistent warmth that's easy to enjoy. All in all, I've had nothing but good experiences with the Little Buddy heater. Whether I'm hunting, camping, or just trying to make my workspace a bit more comfortable, it's been there for me through it all. If you want to learn more about this little powerhouse, you can find the details in the description below. It might just become your new best friend for those chilly